Ready for a new color? You want to do blue? Want to do blue? Is this blue? Which color do you want? Do you want orange? Let's use orange. Want to? Maybe. What's this? Oh, that's a pretty color. Let's use this one. Okay, here we go. All right. Are you ready? Let's do the tires. Shall we do the tires? Look at that. Okay. Good job.
That's the most he's done.
Good job. Okay, next color. You pick it. Which one do you want? Orange. Let's use orange. Okay, ready? Push real hard.
What's today's date, Mom?
The 19th.
September 19th. We're so happy Cam was here.
Yes, orange. Orange.